y me hizo volar en el cielo infinito.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Taufik Rajani. I am 31 years old, holding a Bachelor in Accountancy from UiTM. I've been in the industry for the past 7 years. To be honest, at first, this was not my career of choice when I was studying. I started the journey back in 2006 as an agent. From there, I climbed the corporate ladder and up until now. Currently, I'm holding the position as operations manager in this contact center. People always thought that career as a contact center personnel is always a second choice of opportunity. So hopefully I can inspire other people to change their perception and choose career in contact center industry as their career of choice. My strengths are always being a very positive person and also a very objective person in everything that I'm doing. Without these two, I believe I cannot reach to the level of where I am now. Being positive can also inspire a lot of people around me. You know what they say, you already won half the battle when you believe you can and also when you are very positive. So, with all the attributes above, I believe I should be considered as a winner for this year's CCAM award under Best Contact Center Manager. Thank you.